dear students, I welcome you to my maths channel, which is named as Mathscape. In today's video, I have selected one of the question from the 10th class. The chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry and the exercise is 8.1. Now I have chosen one of the question here. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then we have to show that is angle A is equal to angle B. So this is the question, and it will be very interesting and the very useful video for you, and you'll understand very easily since this question is very easy. So first of all, we are given that angle A and angle B are two acute angles. So it means that we have to draw the triangle first. Now this is a triangle here, and this is a right triangle here, and you know that in a right angle there are two acute angles and one is the right angle here. And it must be noted that now since angle A and angle B are acute angles, so that means you have to keep angle A here and angle B here, or you can keep angle A here or angle B here. Why? Because angle A and angle B are two acute angles. ये दो acute angles हैं, and you have to keep this angle as C. So with the help of this angle A, if angle A and angle B are acute angles, and also we are given that cos A is equal to cos B. Now this is a given condition. So with the help of this given condition, we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle B. So first of all, now let us write the first condition, which is the first condition given here. Cos A is equal to cos B. So this is the given condition in the question here. Now we'll take this triangle. In triangle ACB, we have in a right triangle ACB, we have cos A. Now you just see here the angle is here. So when the angle is here, so it defines which is the base and which is the hypotenuse. So this is the base here and this is the hypotenuse here. Now cos A, cos, you know that the cos is base divided by hypotenuse. So that is equal to AC divided by AB. So we'll keep it as the first equation here. Again, we'll see that cos B. Now the angle is here. Now this is the angle now. Now since this B is the angle here, so this is what? Now this BC becomes the base and AB becomes now the hypotenuse. So AB is always remains what? The hypotenuse. Only the change is between what? These two sides. So sometimes if A is the angle, so then this becomes the base here, this is hypotenuse. If this is the angle, this is the given angle in the ratio here. This is the ratio and this is the angle. So it means that this becomes the base and this becomes the hypotenuse. So that means cos B also will be equal to what here? BC divided by AB. This is the second equation here. Now when you are comparing these two equations here, so nothing is equal. Now just see the left hand side is cos A and cos B. Now the right hand side is AC divided by AB and BC divided by AB. But we are given that cos A is equal to cos B. Now cos A is equal to cos B. So this is a given condition here. Now we'll use the values of what cos A and cos B into this equation. So cos A has the value AC divided by AC, AC divided by AB, and the cos B is equal to BC divided by AB. So BC divided by AB. Now you know that you just see it now. This is the equation here. In any equation, when the denominators are equal here, now AB is here, AB is there, so there must be the cancellation between these two. So you can cancel these two. AB and AB will be cancelled here. So it means that AC is equal to BC. So we got here now this AC is equal to BC here. Now you just recall the theorem here, so you know that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal, or if the sides are equal, then angles are also equal. Now you just here, it further implies that now this AC, now since AC is equal to BC here, now AC has the opposite angle, which is angle B. So that means we have to write down here angle B, and this BC has the angle opposite, so that is angle A. So that is equal to angle A. And you can also write down the reason here, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So we have to prove that in this question. We have to show that angle A is equal to angle B. So we got here angle B is equal to angle A. So this is a very easy question here. So I hope that you understand this question in this video. And so that is all for today's video. And I hope you understand this question. Have a nice time. Just subscribe my channel. So just search for the Maths Cap. Thank you. That is all for today. Have a nice